Believe your own eyes. Central banks follow the market. We've told and shown this story before many times. I have no doubt that we'll show it again. There is a long-standing myth that the interest rate market follows the lead of the central bank. But in truth, the evidence across a very long time shows the opposite. Central banks follow the interest rate market. Why keep telling this story? Well, it's almost like the more erroneous a myth is, the harder it is to kill. Perpetual whack-a-mole. Here's what I mean. The black trend line on the screen is the yield on Canada's 2-year note, which is of course set by the market. The other actor in this story is Bank of Canada, as in Canada's central bank. And we'll show its overnight lending rate momentarily. But first, please notice that from late June 2015 through June 2017, yields stayed within a range, roughly here to here. So now here's Bank of Canada's overnight lending rate, which it sets via its role as the central bank. But if we back this lending rate up to the moment in June when market-driven yields had spiked higher up out of the previous range, what you see then is this market-driven spike in yields happened first. And what followed after was Bank of Canada's announcement that it will raise the overnight lending rate. And then, more recently, that sequence repeated itself. Market-driven yields began to spike first, and then came Bank of Canada's announcement to raise its overnight lending rate. And this line shows that the market-driven move was clearly underway already. Now, when the Bank of Canada raised its overnight rate for the second time in 3 months, the headlines were all about surprise. Yes, Reuters and the Wall Street Journal were similarly surprised. And not to put too fine a point on it, but the fact is, people who were surprised are the ones who suppose that market trends and turns follow the central bank. And that is backwards. You can believe your own eyes. Central banks follow the market. If you liked this video, please like or comment below. For more videos or to stay up to date, you can click these videos and or subscribe to our channel. For EWI, I'm Robert Folsom.